How to make crepes with fruit filling. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of sugar, 1.5 cup of milk, 4 strawberries, 2 kiwi, 2 bananas, 1 whipped cream, strawberry jam, 1 egg. Combine and mix your pancake dough until smooth. Next, heat up your frying pan. Medium heat, add little bit of oil. When your crepes start sliding on the frying pan, they're ready to flip. Continue to fry until golden brown. Spread generous amount of your strawberry jam on your crepe and add your fruits. Next, roll your crepe. Place it on the plate and dress it up with whipped cream and strawberry jam. It looks great and it tastes even better. Bon appétit and thank you for watching.